not clearly sure why, but the only thing that I can figure out is that over the years, as I've talked to tens of thousands of people, I've noticed that people who have been oppressed, Jews, Hispanics, women, blacks, they always respond better to this revolution that I'm involved in because they understand oppression. They've been through it. They know what it's like to be treated like nothing, like their lives don't matter.
Sleep, sleep. It's good for you and me. Close my eyes and sleep. Rest my head, just so I can get some sleep. Floating through the stars, galaxy I see. In the REM stage of my sleep. Lucid's where I be. I've been doing dream checks in this world, I'm in a dream.
We torment them, put them on concentration camp trucks. We send them to slaughterhouses. They know what's going on. They're aware. They're conscious. They smell death and fear and blood in the air. We cut them up into pieces. This stuff has to stop.
Sleep, sleep. Animals die, I slowly weep, weep. Factory trucks, they ain't seen no Jeep. Death in the air, they know it's creeping in. They bleed. Factory floor escape, they seek. Vegan and I'm trying to bring them peace. Lies you were told, compassion ain't weak. Woke up in a dream, everyone eating high fruit, lots of vegetables, and we're saying, yeah, it's all good. Animals are free, yeah, it's all good. Walking, dancing, singing, yeah, it's all good. Floating through nature in my dream, zoning in my bloodstream, you can find melatonin. Loving with you got us feeling oxytocin. Vegan, and she got my third eye open. Maybe I am asleep. Maybe we're all asleep. To the animals were asleep. Rather be in the dark.